Welcome to CSONS at Home. Okay, so first up this week, I suppose, I don't know where we would say this is from, but it's kind of a fairly traditional sort of menu, slightly French. We have got some celeriac and ale puree, some salt baked celeriac, some salsa verde, some microgreens, and some hazelnuts. So the first thing we're going to do is get our frying pan warming and pop our puree into the saucepan. Put that on a nice low heat. Just get a little bit of water to go in there. Just a little bit of water to let that down. A little bit of oil in the pan. And then we're going to fry our celeriac until they're golden on each side. A bit more oil. Still sizzling. The puree is getting hot. I guess it's not really, kind of more of a mash than a puree, I guess. Because we don't really go in for too many purees at CSONS. And the salt baked celeriac there is gone nice and golden on that side now, so we're nearly ready to plate. First thing, do a little mound of the puree. And we're going to just gently squash our salt baked and fried celeriac into there. Take our salsa verde. So dress the celeriac first and then come out for a nice little drizzle around the edge. Mop all that up in a minute. Take your salad or microgreens. Pile them up a little bit on top. And finally, you dot some of the lumps around the sort of edge. And then just sprinkle the remaining bits over the top.